How do we want to do this? What we want to do this is, or how we want to do this is really on setup. I think, can we use a macro for this? I think the answer's no. So if we edit libav device, and then we go sound.io, I actually don't think it's in this one. It's not. Okay. Deck. Null if config small. We can do this. We can do this. Okay, let's go state, because it's kind of in here. And what we're gonna do... Okay. Have I got... I do, but I really want include libav device demux. No, there. And then we'll go ff import format. IBS video, I guess. And then for that, okay, sure, whatever. Class name equals item name equals AV default item name, sure. Option equals options. I don't think we want any options for now. We'll probably have some later. Maybe? I don't know. I mean, really, this is not the interface into our program. This is just so we can interface with FFmpeg. The interface for our program is done entirely outside of all this stuff. So we'll probably just keep it as null. In fact, honestly, the class probably doesn't need to be set. What is this? I'm not convinced that is public. We're just trying to be good citizens. Yeah, it's definitely a no file. Oh, I see. Okay, so now we need to get down to business. Yeah. I guess so. We'll go. I guess that's what we want. It wants to keep this, honestly, 0. We have no private data because our program has access to this. We don't need to store it in FFmpeg. Because we can just access out of line. Like, we don't need to go through FFmpeg to get our context. And nor do I intend on doing so. Yeah. Let's go. So this is int ff IBS read header AV format context. Right, and then this is very similar, but it also has an AV packet, which does that mean we don't need to store a packet? I don't know if it means that. Also, this is getting a little bit hard to follow, but I may not need to do that. And also, I think this should be moved up here. You know what? I actually don't think so. I don't think this is part of the state of our program. It should be in here. Okay, and then this one is int ffibs close AV format context. Format context, and we can go back to here, and we don't need this anymore, but we do need it here. That probably won't link. It shouldn't link, but I think it'll compile. Ooh. Yes, right, it's all internal. Fuck. Fuck. Where do I put this stuff? I can never remember. I think it's like local include. Yeah. Fuck. Because this really is the correct way to do it. As in, getting in at the format level is the correct way to do it. And according to FFmpeg, the correct way to do it is to really have a separate program that provides a data stream that FFmpeg can read from so that the device can be compiled in. Yeah, I remember this problem. So something that we could do is essentially copy paste the definitions of those structures, or in one way or another. Right, one way or another, essentially get at the internal definitions. Honestly, it's probably not that bad of an option. Obviously, it's not desirable because we're depending on behavior that FFmpeg clearly does not want us to depend on, to the extent that they're not making it visible at all. But FFmpeg does not provide a powerful enough interface for us to resolve this problem. I think I'm just going to depend upon the internal behavior. It's really annoying. Yeah, that's really annoying. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. To figure this out, so what we're gonna do is make this abundantly clear that we're doing something not allowed. Is it an AV device? Yeah.